Assalamualaikum and a very good day I wish to Dr. Maimuna and my fellow friends. Today, me, Aqilah and Steven will be presenting on our task 2. The title for our presentation is Needles in Strawberries. Firstly, let us look into the FINA Table. So, for the facts, needles are embedded into the strawberry, and Australia has reported 100 cases of such incident. Ideas: the needles accidentally dropped from workers in processing line. It was a spite from anonymous to put in needles to create panic among consumers. Quality control system was not in place. Learning issues: how did the needle be embedded into the strawberry? Was there a plan to sabotage the company? Where are the possible points in processing line that can cause dropping of needle? What can be fixed to ensure quality control system is working? For our action plan, we plan to re-evaluate the processing line flow and GHP, good hygiene practices of the factory. Read on other reported cases regarding this issue. Identify critical points in processing line that can cause needle to drop into strawberries. Identify suitable machine to be used to detect needles in strawberries. Next, we will look into another fact. For fact number 2, we look into installation of metal detector in the plant. Also, packed strawberries are scanned through the metal detector before being transported. So, after discovering that the number of cases of needles in strawberries increased, the company decided to install a metal detector in their plant so they can detect the metal, which is needle, in the strawberry before dispatching the product. So our ideas are: metal detector is able to detect the presence of needle in strawberry. Presence of metal detector lower the chances of physical hazard in a strawberry. So our learning issues are: how does the metal detector function? Can metal detector detect needles in strawberries accurately? Where to install metal detector in the processing line? For our action plan, we plan to research on metal detectors used in the fresh produce industry, particularly strawberries. Let's move into our task 2, which is product descriptions. So our product name is fresh strawberries, as you can see on the label, and the raw materials are strawberries. So this is the process flow chart of how the strawberries from the farm, you can find them on your shelf at the supermarket. So firstly, freshly harvested strawberries are collected, and then they undergo stemming and then washing, and after washing with water they undergo sorting and grading. This is where it determines whether the strawberry is fit to be passed to the next step. If it fails, then the farmers would just discard the strawberries, and if it passes, it goes through weighing, packaging, storage, transportation, and then finally you can find them in your supermarket shelf. Next, for product characteristics, there are 3 characteristics that we need to take account. Firstly, microbiological. For microbiological, there are several microbes that need to be evaluated, such as coliform, E. coli, Salmonella, Bacillus cereus, Staphylococcus aureus, which will all need to be fit into that criteria. For next, chemical. The pH of strawberry should be 3.46. The TSS should be 7.16 Brix. The total titratable acidity, 1.06 gram citric acid per 100 gram of pulp. And in the presence of anthocyanins in the pulp is 13.30 milligram per 100 gram of pulp. For the physical, as you can see with your eyes, it is red solid with a cone shape for its appearance. The taste, you can taste it, which is slightly sour, and the odor, you can smell it, which has the typical strawberry aroma. So next, let's move into the packaging. Usually, strawberries are packed in a plastic container, one box which is 250 grams. And because we are sending in bulk, we will be having a secondary packaging, which is a carton, and one carton may consist of 15 boxes. As you can see in this video, right, we have the primary, which is the plastic, and then the secondary, which is the carton made out of paper. Next, the shelf life of strawberries are 3 to 7 days if you store it at a storage temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. So we have a special distribution control because strawberries need to be transported by refrigerated truck under consistent temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. So we cannot break the chain of cold items. So for the company name and address, which is Australian Strawberry Distributors, ASD, the list of ingredients is just fresh strawberries. Certified logos such as HARPS and SQF Institute. For the nutritional index of fresh strawberries, we based it on 1 cup, which is about 8 to 10 strawberries. I would just like to highlight that strawberries are rich in potassium. As you can see, it's 240 milligrams, and also vitamin C, 85 milligrams. Next, intended usage and target consumers. So, strawberries are basically ready to eat fruit. And also, the target consumers are general population. I think everyone here loves to eat strawberries, right? Because of its really good flavor. So that is all from us. Thank you for your time, and these are the list of references that we have used for our slides. We will meet again, so thank you for listening.